10 reasons why you should buy a motorbike. Number 1. Meet and greet. When was the last time you said hello to someone while driving a car? Number 2. Free parking in town. Not everyone will be happy with the special perk.
How you doing today? You okay? The staring. You alright, yeah?
Number 3. Wave back. A wave a day is a polite way of saying hey. Number 4. Let them have a rev. Even grown men ask to rev my engine, no homo.
Hello, love. You say hello, love. Hey, love. You okay? You alright?
This is okay. Can I have it?
Go on then. Here, this one. Other way. You need to get one. Stop riding in a taxi and get a bike.
Number 5. Get off the phone. New laws won't stop them, so us bikers will.
Naughty, naughty.
Number 6. Thumbs up. Keeping the peace between bikers and cars.
Yes.
Number 7. Think bike. People will sometimes stop to get a second look. Number 8. Using the perk of others. Cheeky biker.
Wow, with this boy. Number
9. Random hi. Not sure what it is, but some people like to say hi to bikers. And finally, number 10. Confidence boost. Your communication skills will improve. Get involved in other people's conversations.
Sleeping, he's sleeping.
That's my 10 reasons why you should buy a motorbike. If you have one already, make sure you ride safe. And also, if you ride with a GoPro, make sure the attachment is secure. Unlike me.